With this Hotpoint washer dryer, you can enjoy clean and dry laundry while saving energy. Sensor Dry uses sensors to monitor the moisture and temperature levels inside the dryer and stops the machine once your laundry is dry. Your clothes will never be over-dried and you'll save energy. The Anti-Allergy system is a combination of high-temperature technology with extra rinses to neutralise and remove 99.9% of major allergens, providing great relief for allergy sufferers so you can wear your clothes comfortably without any irritation. The Wash and Dry 45 cycle means you can wash and dry a small load in under an hour, ideal for when you're in a hurry and need that particular outfit last minute. If you're keen on time saving and energy saving, then this Hotpoint washer dryer is the ideal appliance for you.